Diesel engines are precise machines, and they need clean fuel to perform at their best. When things like water, dirt, or microbes mix in, they can seriously damage your fuel system and put the whole engine at risk. Avoid major repairs and costly downtime with a Torque Diesel Contamination Kit. Our kits include everything you need for a complete fuel system repair. Premium replacement parts chosen specifically for your engine. Kits are available for 4 different Ford applications, either with or without a fuel pump. You'll get a full set of premium Reman fuel injectors, along with a fuel supply line with sensors, a high-pressure fuel pump, the fuel rails with sensors and pressure regulators, a fuel return assembly, the feed pipe with sensors, and the mounting gasket and O-rings to seal it all up. Every Torque Diesel Contamination Kit is backed by a 2-year, unlimited mileage warranty. It's OE quality at an aftermarket price. Plus, each kit comes with the experience, the expertise, and best-in-class service of our M&D team. While you're installing your contamination kit, replacing the oil and fuel filters are a must-do. And take the time to inspect the rest of your engine. If a new turbo, cylinder head, water pump, or thermostat is on your list, we've got you covered. Visit your local branch, give us a call, or log on to thedieselstore.com. We'll be happy to show you how M&D fuels uptime.